Ever wondered about the correct way to prune your plants? Well, you're not alone. Pruning is a horticultural practice that's as much an art as it is a science. It's all about giving your plants the right cut at the right time to promote healthy growth and enhance their aesthetic appeal. Today, we're going to delve into the ins and outs of pruning, from understanding its importance to mastering the basic steps. So, get your green thumbs ready. Stay tuned to discover how to give your plants a healthy and stylish trim. First things first, you need the right tools. A good set of hand pruners is perfect for smaller branches. For those slightly larger, loppers will do the trick. And for the big jobs, a pruning saw is essential. With these tools in hand, you're ready to dive into the world of pruning. Now, on to the main event, pruning your plants. Pruning is not a one-size-fits-all process. It depends greatly on the type of plant and the time of the year. Typically, the best time to prune is during the plant's dormant season, which for most plants is late winter or early spring. The process is simple. Begin by identifying the branches you need to cut. These could be dead, diseased, or simply overgrown branches. Aim to make your cuts at a 45-degree angle, just above a bud or side branch. This encourages new growth in the right direction. One common mistake is making the cuts too close to the bud or too far from it. Too close can harm the bud, and too far can lead to deadwood. So aim for that sweet spot in between. Avoid over-pruning. A good rule of thumb is to remove no more than 1/3 of the plant's overall growth. And there you have it, a simple guide to pruning your plants. Pruning doesn't have to be a daunting task. Remember, with the right tools and techniques, you'll promote healthier, more beautiful plants. Regular pruning really does make a difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.